When you think of Florida, you might think of stunning beaches, warm weather, and vibrant nightlife. But there's another aspect of Florida that's not to be missed: the real estate market. Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the Florida real estate market. I'm here to guide you through the ins and outs of investing in Florida's diverse property landscape. Florida's real estate market is as diverse as its people. From the high-end luxury condos of Miami to the quiet suburban homes in Orlando, there's something for everyone here. Florida's main cities, Miami, Orlando, Tampa, and Jacksonville, all boast thriving real estate markets. Each city has its own unique characteristics, offering different opportunities for investors. The appeal of the Sunshine State extends beyond its real estate. Florida's warm climate, world-famous beaches, and popular attractions like Walt Disney World and Universal Studios make it a hotspot for tourists and a great place to live. Over the past few years, Florida's population has been on the rise, which has had a positive impact on property values. Despite occasional market fluctuations, Florida's real estate market has shown strong resilience and potential for steady growth. Now, investing in real estate is never without risks, and Florida is no exception. Factors such as hurricanes, climate change, and market volatility can pose challenges. However, with careful planning, research, and the right guidance, the potential returns can be substantial. Over the course of this series, we will delve deeper into how you can navigate the opportunities and challenges of the Florida real estate market. Whether you're a first-time investor or an experienced one looking to diversify your portfolio, there's plenty to learn and discover. So join us on this journey as we unlock the potential of investing in the vibrant and diverse real estate market of Florida. This is just the beginning. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more insights into Florida's real estate market. Until next time, take care.